Tanya, and this is Paul, and we've saved the best exercise for last. So the next exercise is called rolling like a ball, and it's just a bit of fun and take yourself back to childhood. The reason you do this is you want to keep your chin tucked in towards your knees, so it's going to make your spine round. So all you can do is hold behind the legs and just roll yourself back so that you're onto the shoulders and then back up again. Even if you need to swing your legs a little bit to help you, the whole idea is just to keep the spine round. And it's also a nice little massage if you can get it right. It was actually designed to give you a massage down the spine. So have a play with that one. Of course, you don't want to do it on a concrete floor, and ideally not on something as soft as a bed. It needs to, just like your carpet with a mat over or something like that. So that one is called rolling like a ball. So have a bit of fun with that one. Bye!